Now coming to the problem. What is that problem here? Show that the fourth roots of unity forms an abelian group with respect to multiplication. Fourth roots of unity. Let us consider here fourth roots of unity. Given fourth roots of unity. What is the fourth roots of unity here? Fourth root of 1. Let that is equal to, let fourth root of 1 is equal to x. Okay. Now it can be written as 1 to the power of 1 by 4 is equal to x. On both sides applying is equal to 1, it can be written as x is equal to 1 is equal to s to the power of 4. Okay, on both sides 4 have to multiply power with 4. Okay, it can be cancelled. What will be here? 1 is equal to s to the power of 4. It can be written as s to the power of 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. S to the power of 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Here it is in the form of a square minus b square here. What is it in the form? What is it? It is in the form of a square minus b square. Here a square is equal to s to the power of 4 and b square is equal to minus 8. It can be written as s square whole square minus 1 whole square. It can be written as, what is the formula of a square minus b square formula? A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. It can be written as h square plus 1 into h square minus 1 is equal to 0. H square minus 1 into h square plus 1 is equal to 0. H square is equal to 1. H square is equal to minus 1. H square is equal to 1 can be written as h square minus 1 is equal to 0. It is in the form of a square minus b square. Here a square h square minus 1 square is equal to 0. What is the formula of a square minus b square? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Now it can be right in the form of x plus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 1. Okay. For the this is for h square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now coming to the h square is equal to minus 1. H square is equal to minus 1. H square, it can be written as h square is equal to minus 1 can be written as I square. I square is equal to minus 1. Okay. Next, it can be written as h is equal to root over I square. H is equal to plus or minus I. H is equal to plus I. H is equal to minus I. Okay. Therefore, h is equal to plus I. H is equal to minus 5. For h square plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now what are the values of h here? H is equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I. Okay. Therefore, show that the fourth root, what is given this problem? Show that the fourth roots of unity forms an abelian group with respect to multiplication. With respect to multiplication. Now consider the composition table under multiplication. Now consider the composition table under multiplication. Let G is equal to, what is here G? G is equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I. These are the elements in G. The G is a finite group according to definition of finite group. What is the definition of finite group? Here, what is the definition of finite group? Number of elements in a group or finite, then the group is called finite group. A group consists of finite number of elements, then the G is called finite group. Okay. Here dot is a binary operation. Here dot is a binary operation. Now consider the composition table. Here dot 1 minus 1 I minus I. Again I will draw here 1 minus 1 I minus I. Here dot. 1 minus 1 I minus I. Okay, 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. 1 dot minus 1 is equal to minus 1. 1 dot I is equal to I. 1 dot minus I is equal to minus I. Next, coming to minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 into I minus I. Minus 1 into minus I. Minus into minus plus 1 into I. Minus 1 into minus I is equal to minus into minus plus 1 into I. That means mine I. Okay, next coming to I. I dot 1 is equal to I. I dot minus 1 is equal to minus I. I dot I is equal to I dot I is equal to I square. I square is equal to minus 1. I square is equal to minus 1. Next, I dot minus I is equal to I dot minus I is equal to minus into plus minus into I square. Here I square can be written as minus 1. Minus into minus plus into 1. Here what will be coming here? Came here 1. Okay, next coming to minus I. Minus I into 1 minus I. Minus I into minus 1 minus into minus plus. Plus into 1 into I. Okay, minus into minus I into I. Minus I into I is equal to minus into plus minus I into I square. I square, what is the value of I square? Minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1. Here minus I dot minus I. Minus I into minus I is equal to plus 1. I into I square. And here I square, what is the value of I square? Minus 1. What we will get here? Minus 1. Okay, that is the composition table for multiplication.